Today we will introduce the vacuum carburizing gas quenching furnace developed by ACME. This equipment is mainly used for vacuum carburizing or carbonatriding heat treatment processes of key parts in the fields of aerospace, weapons, etc. The technical advantage of this equipment is that it can not only complete the vacuum carburizing heat treatment process, but also complete the vacuum carbonatriding heat treatment process and complete the gas quenching process at the same time. The vacuum carburizing process solves the problem of internal oxidation of the workpiece that cannot be solved by multi-purpose furnace atmosphere carburizing, and the fatigue resistance and wear resistance are greatly improved. The vacuum carburizing equipment has higher flexibility in use and is equipped with a dedicated process system without the need to worry about controlling the size of the carbon type. The equipment adopts a double chamber structure. One is carburizing and the other is a quenching chamber. After the parts complete vacuum carburizing or carbonatriding in the carburizing chamber, they are quickly transferred to the quenching chamber to complete the high-pressure gas quenching process. The maximum gas quenching pressure in the quenching chamber is 20 bars. The heat treatment quality of the workpieces treated by the vacuum carburizing furnace fully meets the requirements of carburizing and carbonatriding of high-end parts. Especially the indicators such as carbon concentration on the workpiece surface, depth of the carburized layer, and quenching hardness fully meet and exceed the requirements of navigation marks.